By understanding our client's workflow and software needs, we built this custom workstation with purpose. Engineered for SolidWorks and SolidCAM, and wrapped in a design that turns heads. Crafted inside a premium chassis with natural wood detailing, this build was designed to stand out on the desk, both in looks and performance. For high-speed simulations, large assemblies, and seamless multitasking, we chose the Intel Core i9-14900K, paired with 64GB of DDR5 RAM to ensure smooth performance. For software-level compatibility and stability, especially with SolidWorks and SolidCAM, we went with the Quadro Series RTX A2000, equipped with 12GB of VRAM and built specifically for professional design and engineering workflows. Optimized for performance, thermals, and silence. This system is designed for long design sessions without compromise. Everything runs exactly how the client envisioned: smooth, stable, and fast.